Go.
I gotta get my arms ready.
Oh, you didn't even look.
Car.
Are you videotaping?
Yep.
They're not looking.
I don't think they want to.
We gotta say hi to
try
everybody with their window down.
Hi.
He was laughing.
I'm videotaping.
I believe
Right, get ready.
die.
Ready. Park him
I hate you.
together. You motherfucker. My ankles. That hurt. This is the ankle bones just like. Wait, was that someone we knew?
I
I don't know either. I'm so confused. Or maybe they were honking because they actually thought we were mental. If you put away the fucking camera, then they might actually think it. Something like this. Kelsey, you're just like, how romantic.
No.
You stole my tape.
You stole my nose flap.
got that on video.
Is this someone we know? Oh,
Yes.
God. Who is it?
Shit.